How to change streak emojis in Snapchat. Like each different social media platform, Snapchat comes with its personal default emojis that sign particular moods, interactions, and relationships between you and your contacts. This holds true for something from BFFs to Snapstreaks. However, retaining the default emojis can get boring after some time. A little bit of personalization goes a great distance in direction of making your profile and call listing look extra attention-grabbing. If you wish to find out how streak emojis work and how one can customize them, take a look at the next tutorial. The which means of streak emojis. By default, Snapchat supplies customers with three sorts of streak emojis. The hearth emoji exhibits that you just and a fellow Snapchatter have been snapping one another each day, sustaining a snap streak. For the few days of sustaining a streak, you gain at see any emoji in any respect. After 3 days, the hearth emoji will seem. The quantity subsequent to the hearth emoji signifies what number of days you've been on a streak for with this individual. Some circumstances should be met earlier than the hearth emoji seems. Initially, you each should ship snaps to one another no less than as soon as each 24 hours. Secondly, it is advisable to hold doing this for no less than 3 days earlier than the emoji seems. That's the minimal period of time required for any such communication to be labeled a snap streak. As we talked about earlier, a quantity will seem subsequent to the hearth emoji that signifies what number of days your streak has been energetic. If you attain 100 consecutive days, the 100 emoji will seem in entrance of the streak emoji as a substitute of the essential quantity. As your streak continues, you'll see the quantity subsequent to the 100 emoji enhance, although the emoji itself won't rely up with you. The hourglass emoji is what you see when the streak is sort of over. This means that you just don't have a lot time left earlier than the streak resets. If you wish to hold it going, you'll must ship a snap ASAP and hope to get one again. The hourglass emoji seems after 20 hours of radio silence, so that you and your good friend have 4 hours left to maintain the streak going. How to change streak emojis. With every day you add to a Snapchat streak, you're altering the default quantity emoji for the reason that variety of days retains going up. However, you too can change the usual hearth emoji to one thing else. Right, here's how you are able to do that. Open the Snapchat app. Faucet your profile image within the top left nook of the display. Faucet the settings icon within the top right nook of the display. Scroll down and faucet handle. Choose buddy emojis. Scroll down and faucet snap streak. Choose any emoji you need from the listing. Observe that the hearth emoji would be the first one on the listing. There you could have it. Now you need to use an everyday smiley face, a tree, an animal, or some other emoji as your snap streak emoji. Observe that whenever you make this modification, you gain at break your streak. The hearth emoji will merely be modified, however the quantity displaying how lengthy your streak will stay unaltered. In case you additionally wish to change the hourglass emoji, you're out of luck. You possibly can't alter it within the snap streak preferences, maybe as a result of its solely non-permanent unless till you and your good friend change snaps, otherwise you let the streak drop. The 100 emoji can also be set in stone for now. If you hit the 100th day in your snap streak, you're going to get this emoji displayed in entrance of your streak emoji. You possibly can't change this, and you can also use totally different emojis to interchange the variety of days. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.